Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So these were some of the pups that have been separated from the mother plants. These are Echeveria Lola. These are Echeveria Hercules. Same thing over here, some more of Hercules, and I have some more pups over here. Now guys, of late I have come across a lot of people that tend to give a lot of wrong information, due to which a lot of people think that succulents tend to grow at a very fast rate. Trust me guys, please don't follow such wrong things. Succulents grow at a very slow pace. That is one of the sign of a succulent growing slow. It is a sign that your succulent is healthy. Succulents will grow at a very slow pace, and I think I have mentioned about this a number of times. Please don't be in a hurry. There are ample amount of videos on YouTube wherein people suggest that succulents tend to grow at a faster rate. Recently I came across a video. I corrected the lady, but she was very adamant, so I gave up on that. But I just wanted to emphasize this once again, because time and again a lot of people tend to ask me, how do I make my succulents grow faster? Succulents will not grow very fast. If you think by adding too much of fertilizers your succulents are going to grow fast, that is a complete myth. Your succulent will get damaged with excess fertilizers. I don't add any fertilizers personally, but still you can see my succulents tend to grow very healthy, very beautiful. They have the stress colors, but they grow at a very slow pace. If I have to tell you, this entire pot, it might have taken over 2 years for them to reach to this size. And someone suggesting that the succulents tend to grow within 30 days, within 50 days, that is completely incorrect. Please don't follow those stuff. After watching such videos, I do get replies that why is my succulent growing very slow? The answer is they grow slow. There is nothing much we can do. Over here, I think these have been in this pot for almost 3 years now, and you can see how slow they tend to grow. Over here I have few more. Now these are basically not cuttings, but basically they have been transferred over here because the other place was receiving a lot of sunlight, so I had to move some of the succulents over here. Again, this pot looks very large, but it is half filled with rocks, and then probably the depth is reduced only to 8 to 9 centimeters, and after that I've filled in my succulent soil mix. These have been recently shifted over here, that's why they look a little bit closed. I will be watering them very soon, but as of now, because they have been transferred over here, they were getting a lot of sunlight in the other place, so I had to shift them over here. But now they are slowly starting to look a little bit better. They were completely closed before I shifted them over here, but now they are slowly starting to open, because here they receive only morning direct sunlight. The other place, the sun's direction was changed, so they were getting afternoon sunlight as well. That's why you can see a lot of burns. But now they will slowly start to recover in this place. I will be watering them probably after 5 or 6 days, because they have been recently shifted. I should have made a video, I completely forgot about it. But so far they're doing quite well. There will be a lot of people saying that, oh, my succulents are growing at a very fast rate. That's completely incorrect. So it's been around 8 years of growing succulents. Pretty much I know everything in and out about succulents. I wouldn't say that I know 100% about succulents, but I can definitely detect when a person is lying about succulents. And when I correct someone, if they still continue to lie, then I do not go further, because I do not want to waste my time on correcting someone who's not ready to understand the anatomy of the succulent. Succulents grow very slow. Someone is propagating the leaves and they say that they have got a 3-inch pup within 30 days. That is completely incorrect, and I will definitely correct that person. Whether the person likes it or not, it doesn't matter. But when you give wrong information, you are providing that wrong information to a lot of people, and a lot of people will expect the pups to reach into a 3-inch size or a 2-inch size in 30 days. That is completely incorrect. There are going to be thousands of videos like this on YouTube. Of course, I cannot keep a checklist on that and keep answering to all those videos. Whenever I come across, I will definitely correct that person, and then rest, it depends upon the person whether they want to take the correction or they just want to lie. that's up to them. So that's all about it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.